What's up, guys? It's Ryan with the MXG channel once again, and it's a beautiful Appalachian morning, soaking in some sun, having some coffee, and we got to talk because yesterday somewhere someone spotted a couple brand new 2023 KTM bikes, and I had as you guys can probably imagine, I had a ton of people sending me these photos. And when I first took a glance at this, I thought, okay, somebody knows somebody, they've got their hands on a set of plastics, it's just a factory edition with the plastics on it. And the reason I thought that is because the one I could see in the photo had the factory edition seat, it had the factory edition clamps, but then I felt like an idiot when I realized a few seconds later that the frame's black. And then once I saw another picture that was sent over, I saw the other bike actually has the black stock machine clamps. So yeah, guys, there you go. Merry Christmas. That's what the 2023s are going to look like. I think what we've got here is a couple bikes, because there's one SX and one XC, you know, SXF, XCF. And I think what we found is a couple bikes that are being used for either a photo shoot or something promotional, or some really early test bikes that somebody got their hands on, you know, a magazine, an outlet, something like that somebody's been riding. So why on earth they wouldn't have used a box trailer to move these bikes blows my mind. But you know, these bikes haven't even been announced yet. These are the bikes that will be announced on May 10th and are not even supposed to be shipping to dealers until July for the 4-strokes and October for the 2-strokes. So I've still had a bunch of questions about that, a bunch of confusion. July on the 4-strokes, guys, October on the 2-strokes, but they should all be announced this week in May. But the good news is we're only about 5 days away from getting all the details on these bikes. There's not a whole lot of mystery because, you know, there's already a factory edition in my garage. Some people have had them for 3 months, but it's still cool to see what the base model plastics were gonna look like. But in about 5 days, we can expect all the details, specs, high-res photos, model information, everything to be released. And you guys know we'll be going over all that here. So I appreciate you guys, and especially a lot of you guys that send me these photos, thank you. And just want to say, so many of you guys also drop so many kind words about loving the channel, and that really makes me feel good. I appreciate it. Gives me some motivation to keep going on. So thank you guys so much for that. But all right, guys, I'm gonna go sit patiently at my computer and wait for the new Kawasaki announcement that's supposed to happen here in about a half hour. So watch for a video on that. Hopefully it's some kind of cool motorcycle that we're interested in. Maybe it's something electric, who knows. Could be a 2023 KX450F announcement. So I'll see you guys in a little bit.